rugged cross, the emblem of suffering and shame. And I love that old cross where the dearest bliss for the world of the sinners was slain. So I cherish the old rugged cross till my trophies alas I laid in. I will cling to the old rugged cross and exchange it someday for a crown. Oh, the old rugged cross, so despised by the world as a wondrous attraction for me. For the dear Lamb of God, there is glory above to bear it